Hey everyone, it's Professor Lamb, and we're going to go over the CoinCalculator program first. Okay, so for this we're implementing one method called calculate change. And so if we get a decimal or a double amount of $3.48, we need to calculate how many coins we need just for the 48 cents part. So we're getting rid of the dollar amount, and we're going to return the coins we need as an int array, where the first index is the number of quarters, number of dimes, number of nickels, number of pennies. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is create the int array. And we're going to make it a fixed size array with 4 places. The nice thing about this is Java automatically initializes each of these 4 values to 0, and that's kind of handy. So if we don't manipulate it, this array could already return the correct answer in a few cases if, say, the amount of money is flat on the dollar. So if we got $1 exactly, this code would already pass the test, but it's a hard-coded solution and not the correct algorithm to pass all the other tests. So let's work on that now. And the first thing I want to do is multiply this amount by 100 to get rid of that decimal. But we have to be careful when we do that because of operator precedence issues. So let's create total cents. And if we just multiplied it by 100, that wouldn't work because it's still double, right? Let's see what happens if we cast it. So that actually is what we want. This has to be enclosed in parentheses though for this operation to work correctly. And then just to get the cents, we'll get the remainder after dividing total cents by 100, and we can use the modulus operator for that. So we have the change now stored as a cent variable. Let's actually name it cents. And we need to calculate how many quarters, and then dimes, and then nickels, and finally pennies that can be produced from that amount. So we need a while loop. While the amount is greater or equal to 25, it means there's still another quarter in there that we can squeeze out of it. So we're taking a quarter out, and we need to increment our array. So we're using the minus assignment and the addition assignment that combines 2 operations in one, both addition and the assignment. And actually right here, I would tend to prefer using the postfix operator, which is the exact same thing in this situation. And I find it a little more readable, but totally a personal preference. You can do it however you would like. So we can pretty much copy and paste this twice, but we're going to have to update the values for dimes. And do the same thing for nickels. And lastly, we can assign the remaining cents directly to pennies index, so cents. And let's see if that worked. Great, all tests passed. Thanks everyone.